What's up, Shiba Inu coin holders? So what's going on? Today I have a very good news for all Shiba Inu holder, and definitely Shiba Inu is on the trending. So therefore, that's clear, my friends. To upcoming time, Shiba Inu price will increasing, and if a price will increasing, so that's mean to they will give you a profit. So please holders don't do any mistake in those days to the price will again starting fails down. They cannot get a profit. Please listen only you will need my friends to hold for a short time. I hope my friend in very short time they will give you a very good profit. Please don't miss this chance. I am 100% sure they will make you millionaire now. And the price is hour by hour, minute by minute increasing, my friend, and last 24 hours, especially if we check out. And what's the reason, my friend, to the price will pumps up? Definitely the first reason, my friend, which you found. So that's all clear, my friend. Everybody know this, my friends. To win a holder or starting selling, so the coin will dumps down. But when a holder are starting buying, so the coin will pumps up. So I think, my friend, it's gonna be changing now, my friend, for all of you. And please holder, the second reason which I found it in upcoming days, my friend, to never fades down, but it's impossible. I am 100% sure, inshallah. In those days, you can see here Shiba Inu price will be increasing, but its priority, my friends, from all coin now, and definitely when a coin will pumps up, so that's true, my friends. True, everything is going to be right now. All right, so in this time Shiba Inu price will be hour by hour, minute by minute increasing now. If you want, my friends, to collaborate with us now, just and only you will need to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. See you next time. Allah Hafiz, take care.